Today we're making this cinnamon stick Christmas tree ornament. Hi friends, I have a quick and easy tutorial for you today. You're going to need one long 60-inch strand of single strand cotton rope in 3.35 millimeters. You're going to need a small piece of butcher's twine or craft cord, a cinnamon stick or a whole pack, a small little star for the top of your tree, I'm using felt, a small pair of sharp scissors, and a hot glue gun. Okay, let's get started. Grab your cinnamon stick and your long strand of single strand cotton rope. Grab the two ends and place it together to fold it over. And then with the loop end, you want to place that behind your cinnamon stick. We're going to tie what I like to call a floating square knot. Make a loop on your left hand side, and then with your right hand side, you want to place that behind your cinnamon stick and through the loop of your left. Now this first knot is the trickiest one of all, but keep working with it, you got this. To complete your knot, make a loop on your right, and then with your leftmost cord, place it behind your cinnamon stick and through the loop of your left. Now to prevent this knot from slipping off, I'm going to add just a little dab of hot glue right where I want the knot to sit. Now we're going to tie a square knot picot. Now, it's the same way that you tie a regular square knot, only there's a little trick to it. As you're tying your first half of your square knot, leave a little bit of a gap right below your first one. Then complete the other half of your square knot. Once you've tied your square knot, slide it all the way up to connect to the bottom of your first one. Now you should have these little loops on the side. And that is how you tie a square knot picot. Is it pronounced picot or picot? I can never tell. Anyways, we're going to tie another one, but we're going to leave a larger gap this time. You want these loops on the side to gradually increase in size as you go down your cinnamon stick. Now I can fit about 5 knots on my cinnamon stick. I have one regular square knot at the top, and I can tie 4 square knot picots at the bottom. Now yours might be different depending on the size of your cinnamon stick. So don't worry, yours doesn't have to be exactly like mine. Also, when you get to the bottom of your cinnamon stick, it's harder to increase the size of your picot. So to do that, tie a regular square knot, but tie it loose, and then just pull on the sides to increase your picot. This is a pretty easy Christmas ornament, and it's very forgiving, so you can just play around with it until you got the loops just how you like it. To create the hanger, grab a small scrap piece of butcher's twine or craft cord, fold it in half, and then tie an overhand knot at the bottom. And snip off the excess length. Now to attach it, we're going to use our hot glue gun and put just a small dab of glue right at the top, right on your first square knot. Add your craft cord hanger and be very careful, hot glue is hot. I found that out the hard way. Then grab your star and place it right on top, which hides the knot of our hanger. Now my star is just a scrap piece of felt that I cut out. You can use a wooden star shape or some beads if you like. Now to finish the ends, I'm just snipping it, leaving about a 1/2 inch tail. And then with that tail, I'm gonna glue it on the back, folding it over. Gosh, I wish you could smell the cinnamon stick. It has such a lovely scent. I'm doing a macrame Christmas tutorial every single day in the month of November. If that's something you're into, I hope you consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.